हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल IPMAT अड्डा में। और आज आप देख रहे हो द एडिटोरियल एनालिसिस और vocab वीकली रिविजन। सो let me just start you and tell you that today is a Saturday and we know that we do vocabulary revision, but a small twist I have made in this video कि आज इस वीडियो में vocab जो होने वाला है वो it will be related to the examples of figure of speech that we usually call it poetic devices, and it comes in your exams like CUET and IPMAT. So be ready for that. Are you ready for that कि आपको कितना फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आता है? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स। और आर यू एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस सेशन और नॉट? और इसके अलावा मैं आपको दो तीन चीज़ें बता देता हूँ एज वी नो दैट कि आप इसका आंसर करेंगे। आई वुड गिव यू 30 सेकेंड्स फॉर दैट मोर देन vocab because I know that this is something new for you right now. So I would like to make you just clear about this कि these questions will be related to figure of speech, not anything else. So be ready for that. Are you ready for that? And do you know about what is figure of speech? So we'll talk about in this session today. So let's begin with a very beautiful session, and begin yourself and be with me till the end of the video. And after let me know in the comment box after the video that how many questions you got correct. Okay, so that I can know that what is your progress. So let me start with the very first question that is in front of you, and I'll start your time. You have 30 seconds to answer this question, right? So your time starts now. Okay, time's up. So now what is the answer of this particular question? So right, see, he spoke loudly in a whisper. So you see that two opposite word, loudly and whisper, they are two opposite word. तो इस तरह के figure of speech को कहा जाता है what? Oxymoron, right? क्या कहा जाता है? Oxymoron. जब किसी सेंटेंस के अंदर दो ऑपोजिट वर्ड साथ आ जाएं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चे? ऑक्सीमोरन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. Okay, time's up. So if you sell drugs, you will get arrested and up in a prison cell. So you see that there are homophones of cell and cell. These have the same pronunciation or the same sound. So same sound is called homophone. So the right answer would be C or whatever. Like, next question. Okay, time's up. So let's see what is the answer of this particular question. The traffic jam was more tangled than a plate of spaghetti. So this is exaggeration. जब आप किसी चीज़ को exaggerate यानी hyper करके बोलते हो, so हम क्या बोलते हैं बच्चे क्या? hyperbole, right? So the right answer would be what? hyperbole. When we exaggerate, क्या करते हैं हम? जब exaggerate, बात को बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलते हैं, जैसे कि हिंदी में भी हम बोलते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि उस जंग में या उस लड़ाई में या उस युद्ध में खून की नदियां बह गई। हालांकि खून की नदियां कभी भी नहीं बह सकती हैं, बट ये एग्जैजरेशन करके जब वर्ड बोला जाता है तो इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? हाइपरबली कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Okay, time's up. So let's read it. The music was louder than a thunderstorm on a metal roof. यानी म्यूजिक जो है वो थंडरस्टॉर्म की तरह लग रहा है मेटल रूफ के ऊपर। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एग्जैजरेशन, यानी बिल्कुल मेटल रूफ के ऊपर जो आवाज़ आ रही है उसे थंडरस्टॉर्म से क्या कर दिया है? कंपेयर कर दिया है। सो दैट इज समथिंग एग्जैजरेशन एंड द आंसर वुड बी एब्सोल्युटली हाइपरबली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ चलते हैं हम। Okay, so basically you see fair is foul and foul is fair. So alliteration is has been used in this video. Alliterations, like you know what, alliteration is repetition of your first word of every word. So first letter of every word. So this would be the right answer. Okay, this would be the right answer. Next question. Okay, select the option which has oxymoron in it. Oxymoron. Okay. So oxymoron, opposite word. So you see that seriously funny. So this would be the answer. So next question. Now you have got only 20 seconds. Select the option which has litote in it. Okay, time's up. So what is litote? Litote basically minus minus plus. When two things are of minus and that becomes plus, so that is what? Negative and negative becomes positive. That is litote. Next question. Now of 10 seconds, you have to answer it in 10 seconds. Time's up. Simile. Simile means comparison using as or like. So this is the right answer. Next question. You have got only 10 seconds to complete it. Choose the option. Again, simile, as and as. Next question is in front of you, and again you have only 10 seconds. All right, love as if you would one day hate, and hate as if you would one day love. So love becomes in another sentence hate, and love become in hate become in another sentence love. If it happens oppositely, then it is called chiasmus. What? Chiasmus. Next question. Okay, do it. Choose the correct option. The thunder grumbled angrily. Okay, time's up. So this is called personification. Thunder is being treated as living being. So that is called personification, when we treat non-living things as living being, right? Next question. Okay, onomatopoeia means sound. So do you see the sounds anywhere? So we see buzzing is the sound. Buzzing is the sound of bees, right? Next question. Graceful giant gracefully grazed in the green. Okay, so very clear, that is alliteration. Next question. I think the questions are enough and ख़त्म हो गए हैं. I hope आपके 13 questions के अंदर कितने questions ठीक हुए और आपका figure of speech कितना improve हुआ. Let me know in the comment box. सभी बच्चे मुझे एक बार comment box में ज़रूर बताएंगे कि कितने